Hey guys, welcome to the review of the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer. Before diving into all the amazing features, make sure to check the link below to grab this fantastic 3D printer today at the best price available. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use 3D printer for your creative projects, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a fantastic choice. This printer combines high performance, user-friendly features, and cutting-edge technology to deliver excellent results. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, this printer will help bring your ideas to life with precision and speed. One of the standout features of the Adventurer 5M is its fully automatic leveling system, which ensures that the print bed is perfectly calibrated every time you start a new project. Gone are the days of manually leveling the bed and troubleshooting print quality issues. This feature makes the printing process much easier and more reliable. The high-speed printing capabilities of up to 600 mm per second ensure that you can get your prints done faster without sacrificing detail. This is especially beneficial for users who need to complete multiple prints in a short time. The quick-detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle provides versatility and convenience, allowing you to easily swap nozzles for different printing needs or if maintenance is required. The vibration compensation feature enhances print quality by reducing the risk of inaccuracies that can occur during fast movements. This ensures smoother prints with greater consistency, even when the printer is running at its highest speeds. With a printing size of 220 x 220 mm, the Adventurer 5M offers a generous build volume, making it suitable for a variety of projects, from small, detailed models to larger prints. This flexibility allows you to take on different types of prints without worrying about size limitations. Additionally, the Adventurer 5M comes with a user-friendly touchscreen interface that makes it easy to operate and monitor your prints. It's also compatible with various filaments, including PLA, ABS, and more, giving you plenty of options depending on your project's requirements. The printer's compact design ensures it will fit into any workspace, and its quiet operation makes it ideal for home offices, workshops, or classrooms. Whether you're creating prototypes, personalized gifts, or intricate designs, this printer will deliver impressive results. In summary, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer is a reliable, feature-packed, and easy-to-use machine that is perfect for anyone looking to explore the world of 3D printing. With its automatic leveling, high-speed printing, vibration compensation, and easy nozzle swaps, it offers everything you need for a smooth and efficient printing experience. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful 3D printer, the Adventurer 5M is an excellent investment. Don't wait. Click the link below to get the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer today and start bringing your creative ideas to life.